How to add WhatsApp link in TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add WhatsApp link to your TikTok. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that you have updated your app. Head over to Play Store and search for TikTok. If you see update sign here, update your app. Once done, open your app. Then make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Then tap onto your profile on your bottom right. In order to add any link on your account, first of all, you need to have a business account. To switch your personal account to business account, tap on the three bar icon on your top right and tap on Settings and Privacy. You tap on Account, tap on Switch to business account. Tap on to Next. Select any category that you would like and tap on to Next. Now, once it is so, you will be able to see your business tools here. Again, tap on three bar icon. And here you can see your business suite. Now, in order to add WhatsApp link, tap on Edit Profile. At this section, simply tap onto Website under Business Information. Now, it will ask you to become a registered business account. Just tap on Get Started. And once you successfully register your business, you will be able to add your WhatsApp link in your TikTok. And that is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.